All right, legends, let's dive in. What is the best drone for asset inspections in 2025? I thought it'd be time to make a new updated video since our last one in 2021. In the last few years, drone inspections have evolved massively. We're smarter, we've got AI, we've got better payloads and more versatile tools than ever before. In this video, I'm going to take you through the top drones utilized globally for inspection work based on price and features. Whether you're a beginner or running a large-scale drone operation, this guide has got you covered. So, let's get into it. Now, there's a ton of drone types in the market now, but what I'm referring to is asset inspections, aerial mapping, and modeling in this video. Starting with the entry-level drone, the DJI Mini 3. For under $500, this drone is perfect for basic inspections, especially for beginners or small jobs such as roofs, facade, tiles, or just getting close to something that isn't too dangerous to get up by climbing. What's really cool is seeing people getting creative with it and putting cages and torches on it and using it in confined spaces, tethered or indoor use. We use the Mini 3 for quick property checks, whether it's getting up and close to something or we need to get to a certain area that's not safe. So think high roofs or fragile tiles, facades, birds' nests. It's a time saver and a lifesaver. Some key features: 4K video and RAW photos for crisp visuals. We've got obstacle sensors, keeping it safe. Sub 250 gram weight for minimal restrictions. Third-party accessories like cage or prop guards. There's a 25-minute flight time. It's quiet, it's safe, and extremely reliable. With the Mini 3's APK release, basic mapping is also now possible. This entry-level powerhouse is a fantastic starting point. Next up, the Skydio 2 Plus, a game changer in autonomous flight. It has built a reputation over the years for navigating complex structures like bridges or construction sites autonomously with AI. It sees in every direction using 6 4K 200-degree navigation cameras. You have the ability to literally tell it where to go and it starts capturing by itself. Using its incredible advanced vision-based navigation, close proximity avoidance detection, it also boasts to have a vertical view where the camera can point straight up. One of my favorite things is the ability to autonomously fly in GPS denied areas. So imagine capturing perfect data under a bridge or inside a structure without worrying about losing control. Although what is disappointing is the camera is only 12 megapixels, but its autonomy makes up for it. If you're in these environments regularly, this drone is a no-brainer. Industry-leading obstacle avoidance for tight spaces, 4K 60 video with HDR, 12 megapixels, autonomous 3D scanning capabilities, ability to fly in non-GPS bound situations or areas, and tethered flights. Now we're stepping it up to the Mavic 3 Enterprise series. These drones are incredibly versatile, making it ideal for inspection and mapping work. This has been our workhorse drone over the last couple of years, and I've personally enjoyed flying this drone the most. One large project we worked on had us surveying 900 kilometers of power lines, 3 teams flying 3 drones, all thanks to the Mavic 3 Enterprise. It's compact, it's efficient, and honestly, it's definitely made us the most amount of money. 56 times zoom camera for detailed visual inspections. It has an RTK module for centimeter level precision, thermal and multi-sensor options for solar farms and agriculture. Flight time is about 30 to 40 minutes. And DJI isn't stopping here. With the release of the Matrice 4 series, it offers a true separation from the Mavic series as a dedicated entry-level enterprise drone. Both the Enterprise and the thermal variations of the Matrice 4 offer incredible mapping upgrades with multiple camera orientations in a single flight, which gives greater coverage for both ortho and oblique captures. A laser rangefinder, the addition of a 70mm medium tele camera, perfect for asset inspections, built-in RTK module allowing you to add accessories like a spotlight or speaker, as well as upgraded flight capabilities with OcuSync 4. Compatibility with the RC Plus 2, DRTK3, which can be used both as a base station for RTK positioning and a rover for recording ground control points. It's really the best compact enterprise drone on the market. At the $10,000 mark, we're looking at serious tools for serious operators. The DJI M30T, rugged, reliable, and packed with features like thermal imaging and zoom capabilities. This drone is perfect for solar farms, power and energy inspections, telco, and industrial sites. the Skydio X10. Skydio's latest enterprise drone with obstacle avoidance and thermal payload options and zoom capabilities. We have the EB by AG Eagle, fixed wing powerhouse for large-scale RTK mapping. What sets the EB apart is the ability to map vast areas like farms or mines in a single flight, up to 90 minutes of airtime. You'll cover more ground faster than any multi-rotor, and you've got a selection of payloads in now from RGB, multispectral or thermal. Now we are in the real enterprise territory with these drones built for efficiency and precision. The DJI M350 RTK, the gold standard for inspections. It offers flexible payloads such as the P1 for mapping and modeling, H30T for asset inspections, getting even closer to assets and doubling the thermal resolution. It has RTK accuracy, long flight times, making it a top choice for industrial scale projects. Since its launch, they have opened its SDK to the world, which has led to an influx of third-party payloads for mapping, modeling, LiDAR, live broadcasting, and much more. The DJI Docks. Now this will be big in 2025 onwards. It's your autonomous drone-in-a-box solution. It's perfect for 24/7 monitoring and inspections without an operator on site. Imagine having multiple docks on a massive solar farm. These drones can be deployed on demand, performing autonomous missions and sending real-time data back to you with no pilots needed on site. It's from $100,000 US and onwards. Finally, the Helios 3 makes a comeback in this video again, as it's a leader in the confined spaces and hazardous environments. This drone is unlike anything else, but it also comes with a hefty price tag. Encased in a collision-proof cage, equipped with LiDAR, thermal sensors and a video camera, it's capable of flying in non-GPS environments like tunnels, tanks, sewers, has multiple payloads and products including UT or ultrasonic testing, RAD for radiation detection, gas detection and more. We've seen the Helios 3 in action inspecting a 40-meter long tunnel with zero light or GPS. It's built for environments that would destroy almost any other drone. If your work involves these extreme conditions, the Helios 3 is worth every penny. So there you have it guys, the best drones for inspections in 2025, tailored to every budget and use case. Now whether you're starting out in the Mini 3 or managing industrial scale projects with the M350 or Helios, there is a drone for every job and it's just going to improve from here. Remember, it's not about the drone, it's about understanding your client's needs, delivering quality data, and what you do with the data is very important. Work smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you are keen to try in 2025. And don't forget to check out our Drone Masterclass Academy, our training platform for getting pilots skilled up and get their careers off the ground. See you in the next one.